Hi everyone, I'm Meena here from Krithi Car Care, and today we have Fortuner here for dashcam installation. But we had done the PPF on this Fortuner almost 2 years back. As most of you are aware that when we do PPF on the car, we do tell certain do's and don'ts, and this customer has followed all those things, and you can hear the feedback from the customer, and you can have a look on the car as to how his experience has been with Krithi. So here we go.
So hi, and I will like to welcome you all to the Krithi Car Care, where I got this PPF done for the Toyota Fortuner, and it's been now almost 2 years since I've got this PPF done, and you can see that how it is holding up good. So the customers are doubt that whether they need to go for a ceramic coating or the PPF coating. I opted the option for PPF coating, so for which I had a discussion with Meena and Krishna, who are the owner of the Krithi Car Care workshop.